Sunday, October 17th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Well, it's been 3 weeks since I planted. Let's take a look at the results. Wow, real nice, beautiful. Remember how I looked a few weeks ago? Gorgeous, simply amazing. Look at that color. Nice, full, healthy. Wonderful. I pulled some weeds yesterday, as you can see. No big deal. This area turned out great. No complaints. Again, very nice. Very nice. Let's look at the other side. Got some spots. Some of the guys were playing basketball. Left some tracks. That's okay. You know what? Time to give it its first cut. Let's see what we have underneath this. You know, a couple days ago, one of the guys on the block told me that the grass looks like a mink coat. Now it looks like carpet. I'm okay with that. Let me tell you about a mistake I made when I was seeding. I should have ran a water hose along the edge and stopped the seeding by the water hose. So when I'm cutting, eventually, those clippings don't get into the rocks. That's okay. But eventually it'll fill out, whether I put down a bunch of seeds or not. It works out that way. Next, I'll give it another cut. I'm going to rake the grass, cut it, and go from there. Reason is, when it's so wet, the mower can't get all the blades. So you might have to do this just to get an even cut. It's not a big deal. Again, none of this is rocket science. Just get your rake, get those blades up as if you were getting up leaves. It's not hard. And then you just get your lawnmower and go over it one more time. So far, so good. What do you guys think? Be honest. Leave your opinions in the comments. That's how we do it here. We started the season on a good note, and that's how it'll end. Just wanted to give you a different angle. I'm not showing off, but you got to pat yourself on the back when you get results like this. You saw the work I did. So yeah, I'm happy. Edging done, trimming done. Got a few more things to do. If you've been watching, you know my style. Can't leave the ground looking like this. But oh yeah, very pleased with the results once again. Can't say enough about it. Next, I'll clean out the mulch bed, get some of the bad stuff out. I have plenty underneath the top layer, so it's going to look fresh when I finish. Nice and vibrant, black and rich. That's what you want to see. Start here, and I'll go all the way down. I'm getting there. You probably wonder why I put down a lot of mulch in the spring. Well, this is why. When you take a layer off, you still want plenty left. Almost brand new. Don't forget the lawn bags. Makes the job a whole lot easier. Turned out great. Let's wrap things up. I'm sure you noticed the bubbles on the sidewalk. I used dishwasher liquid to get the grass stains out the concrete. Now I'm just watering the front yard. I'll hit the plants and the flowers. Then we'll come back and talk about what's going to happen moving forward. This is the best part, though. I hate to disappoint the chrysanthemum fans, but they won't be coming back. I'll never buy them ever again in life. Just too difficult. I don't know if it was too much sun, not enough, too much water, not enough. But they're done as far as I'm concerned. I didn't get a chance to resurface the steps. I don't have enough time for certain stuff. The polka dot plants, however, were great. I wouldn't mind buying them again. I can see that happening. Of course, the salvias and the lilies will come back healthier, fuller, stronger. As for the marble chips, we'll keep. I know one of you guys had concerns about it. I was thinking about getting rid of them. I decided to keep them. As for the other plants and flowers, some of this stuff I can deal with. Other stuff I can do without. The grass, it's up to you. What do you think? I know the work I put in, and next year I plan on doing other stuff. So we're not done. This will conclude this playlist. And thanks for watching, guys, all the support. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye.